una good morning and welcome to yet another new week, Monday 13th of February 2023. Tomorrow Valentine's Day, don't buy your gifts. Anyways, we're inside the Elephant Bet Studios and me and Maria Tuduko, and this is not the first draw of the day when at the Elephant Bet Special. And of course, into our mixing chambers, we get balls from number 1 to 90 and always start with the first 5. First ball inside the first 5, single number 9. Second ball 5-7-57. Third ball 7-1-71. Fourth ball single number 1. And the fifth ball inside the first 5 now 4-0-40. From the first 5 now to the extra 5. Extra 6, 8, 4, 84. Extra 7, 2, 3, 23. Extra 8, 7, 6, 76. Extra 9, 8, 5, 85. And extra 2, 8, 28. So we're done with the first 5 and the extra 5 now for the 75 ball formation. Starts with 8, 9, 89, 5, 2, 52, 6, 9, 69, 4, 1, 41, 6, 3, 63, 2, 5, 25, single number 5, single number 6, 2, 9, 29, 7, 3, 73, 6, 4, 64, 7, 4, 74, 8, 8, 88, single number 8, single number 4, 6, 6, 66, 7, 8, 78, single number 2, 1, 2, 12, 5, 5, 55, 3, 6, 36, 3, 9, 39, 1, 4, 14, 2, 1, 21, 8, 3, 83, 5, 3, 53, 6, 7, 67, 2, 7, 27, 3, 2, 32, 2, 0, 20, 1, 5, 15, 2, 4, 24, 4, 3, 43, 5, 9, 59, 5, 1, 51, 6, 0, 60, 5, 8, 58, 6, 1, 61, 4, 4, 44, single number 7, 7, 5, 75, 9, 0, 90, 1, 1, 11, 6, 2, 62, single number 3, 4, 5, 45, 3, 8, 38, 5, 4, 54, 5, 0, 50, 3, 4, 34, 7, 7, 77, 2, 6, 26, 3, 0, 30, 1, 8, 18, 3, 7, 37, 8, 2, 82, 7, 0, 70, 8, 1, 81, 4, 2, 42, 8, 0, 80, 7, 9, 79, 8, 6, 86, 5, 9, 59, 4, 9, 49, 6, 8, 68, 4, 7, 47, 6, 5, 65, 3, 1, 31, 7, 2, 72, 1, 9, 19, 3, 5, 35, 3, 3, 33, 2, 2, 22, 4, 6, 46, and 1, 7, 17. So that's 75 ball formation. Now on to the last 5 machine winning numbers. the last 5 machine winning numbers. First ball 1 3 13, second ball 1 6 16, third ball 8 7 87, fourth ball 4 8 48, and the fifth ball 1 0 10. So the recap again: first 5, extra 5, and the last 5 one more time. First 5, first ball single number 9, second ball 5 7 57, third ball 7 1 71, fourth ball single number 1, fifth ball inside the first 5 now 4 0 40. For the extra 5, extra 6 8 4 84, extra 7 2 3 23, extra 8 7 6 76, extra 9 8 5 85, and extra 10 2 8 28. And for the last 5 machine winning numbers: first ball 1 3 13, second ball 1 6 16, third ball 8 7 87, fourth ball 4 8 48, and the fifth and final ball inside the last 5, and this draw now 1 0 10. Congratulations to all the winners of this first draw of the day inside today. And this is the Elephant Bet special. Make sure you visit the nearest Elephant Bet office or shop for claim your prize, and don't forget to reinvest because we get 3 more draws for today. Mina Maria to do say tata for now. Please join me back for the 12 p.m. draw at the Diamond Draw.